In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to Zoho Books. If you want to make it easier to receive online payments and keep your accounting process more organized, connecting PayPal to Zoho Books is a very useful setup. Once this is done, you can streamline payment collection and manage transactions more efficiently from inside your Zoho Books account. To begin, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you are logged in. It's always a good idea to confirm that you're in the correct organization or business profile before changing any payment settings, especially if you manage more than one account. Once you're inside Zoho Books, look toward the top or upper corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings area, and it's where you'll find most of the configuration options for your account. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open the settings menu. From there, find the section for Payment Gateways. This area allows you to connect payment services that your customers can use when paying invoices or other bills. Open the Payment Gateways section, and then look through the available options until you locate PayPal. When you find PayPal, click the Setup option next to it. This will start the connection process between PayPal and Zoho Books. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter the necessary details. Make sure the information you provide matches your PayPal business account settings so the connection can be completed correctly. As you move through the setup, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. Depending on your region or account type, the screens may look a little different, but the overall process is usually very straightforward. Read each prompt carefully before continuing so you don't miss any important permissions or confirmation steps. If Zoho Books redirects you to PayPal, that's completely normal. You may need to sign in securely and approve access so the two platforms can work together. After that, you'll typically be brought back to Zoho Books to finish the setup. Once everything is connected, it's a smart idea to review the payment gateway status and confirm that PayPal is now active. That way, you can be confident that customers will be able to use PayPal where applicable inside your Zoho Books workflow. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of linking PayPal to Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.